I mean, it's interesting. Just long before any of the coronavirus stuff started hitting, Softbank was in trouble. We've seen, over the past, let's say, year or so, probably more than that, a lot of their biggest bets have just been sort of tanking. They made a huge bet on WeWork, obviously. Their big bets on Uber seemed like a good deal. They got sort of a valuation discount when they came in when Uber was in a lot of trouble, and now, as you see, now Uber is in a lot more trouble. So that valuation down, their market cap down, huge. So a lot of the big bets that they had relied on early on are not playing out, and I think this, at least discussions to go private, were an ability for them to say, hey, look, we might have to make some big moves. We're probably going to take a lot of criticism for that. If we can do that, at least under the cover of not having to report our numbers to public market investors, maybe we can do that. They opted out of doing that, and they're going to try some different stuff in the interim. But it didn't sound crazy to me that they were at least considering it.
This is a perfect storm that has hit them of investments that went sour, then the coronavirus. You've got an activist in there. Can this marriage be saved?
It's really tough. You're exactly right. I think I keep thinking about Sequoia Capital's. They sent out a letter to a lot of their portfolio companies calling the coronavirus a black swan, right? Which is something that essentially you can't account for, and it could completely destroy tons of value of entire markets that we just didn't see coming. And I feel like Softbank has had like multiple black swans kind of happening to it at a different time. Plus actual bad bets that they have to sort of account for now. So I am very curious how they sort of pull out of it. It's really hard for me to see them coming out, at least in the short term, doing well. But at the same time, Masayoshi
Son.
Yeah, exactly.
I butchered it too, Mike.
I know, exactly. I'll say Masa. Masa has come back and fallen down and then come back many times before. So it's hard for me to always count them out.